Hi everyone, welcome to Cola Teaches Math. Today we're going to talk about exponential integrals 6.9 in the CED. Alright, so our rule, when we have the integral of e to the u du, that is going to integrate to e to the u plus c. So our goal for any of these examples is to make it look like e to the u. U is always going to be the power. Okay, so now u is going to be equal to 5x, du is equal to 5 dx, and then dx is going to be du over 5. Remember, we're only going to plug in for the exponent and the dx. So I'm going to highlight it here right now. All right, let's sub in. So we're going to have the integral of e to the u, du over 5. Bring that 1/5 in front so we don't lose that. And now I reached my goal. E to the u integrates to itself, so this is going to be 1/5 e to the 5x plus c. Great. Next one. All right, let's get it a little more complicated. So here we go. U is going to be the power. Du is going to be 2x dx. And then dx is going to be du over 2x. All right, once again, we only substitute in for the power and the dx. So you can see me highlighting it here. We're not touching that x that I didn't highlight. So we're going to have x e to the u, replace dx with du over 2x. Our x's are going to cancel. If your x's don't cancel, you did something wrong. So let's go ahead. Let's cancel my x's. Let's bring the 1/2 in front so I do not lose it. And I reached my goal. My goal is to have e to the u. So this is going to be 1/2 e to the x squared plus c. All right, next one. Let's get a teeny tiny bit more complicated. So we have e to the rad x over rad x. Once again, u is going to be my power. So u is rad x. I teach my kids to memorize that derives to 1 over 2 rad x, so we don't worry about negative exponents. And now if we're going to get dx by itself, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal, so dx is 2 rad x du. We never divide by fractions in calculus. It's complicated. So now we're going to have e to the u. We're not touching that rad x on the bottom. I didn't highlight it. And we're going to replace dx with 2 rad x du. You can see now my rad x's cancel. If they didn't, you messed up. And we're going to go ahead and bring that 2 in front of the integral. So we're going to have 2 integral e to the u du. I reached my goal is to have e to the u. So that's going to be 2 e to the rad x plus c. And that's how we integrate e's.